Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Rainy Creativity. Today we are going to do a very simple jersey scarf head wrap. Okay, this head wrap I've done it a month ago. Here is the thumbnail. It's 8 styles. I did 8 styles with this tutorial. So if you've not watched it, please, it's still on my channel a month ago. So I'm taking one style of it and we are doing it. You see it on the thumbnail here with the pictures. Okay, so let's start. So this jersey scarf is 2 years and it really stretches. Okay, it's 2 years. Okay, so I'm going to fold it like this. Okay, and then I'm going to place it on my head. So I'm going to divide it into two. Okay, 50-50 on both sides. This side 50, this side 50. So you divide it equally. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap it. You can bring it here if you don't want to show any hair. If you don't want to show any hair, take it front like this. If you want to show hair, you take it back like I'm doing. Okay, and then I'm going to cross it like this at the back. Okay, and then right, so let's do as if we want to tie a knot on top here. Sorry for the noise at the background. I'm close to a street. Okay, so here let's do as if we want to tie a knot like this. Like this, and then I'll hold on to this one and then I'll just go in like this. It's very simple. And then I'll tuck the last one inside here and cover it up. It's out. So let me tuck it in there. So this. So I'm just pulling it a little bit to get some scrunchy kind of look. Okay, and then I'll bring this one to cross it like this. Okay, and then I'll just tuck it in at the back. Okay, so I'll push it back because I want to showcase my hair. If you don't want to show any hair, just drag it in front and then you're good to go. This head wrap is easy. All right, I hope you'll be able to do it. All right, so that is it. We are done. This head wrap shouldn't take you like 1 minute to do because I'm explaining it. I have to explain it in details for you to understand. That is why it's taking us like 4 minutes or 5 minutes, you know. So that is it. Very easy. This one I can boldly say is easy because I know you'll be able to do it. Okay, alright, so here's the side view, here's the back. Sorry, side view. Okay, so So if you want to pamper yourself or you want to just have fun with your head wrap, you can add a brooch if you want. Okay, you can just add a brooch if you want, but I'm not adding the brooch, but I just want to put it on for you to see how it may look in case you want to add your brooch. So that is it for this head wrap. Please check on the other head wraps I did with the 8 styles. Okay, I've taken one of it and I've done it details for you, so please watch the other styles as well if you want. Okay, thank you for watching, and then see you in my next head wrap tutorial. You know I always got you. Thank you, and thank you again. Bye. If you have any question, to please ask me under the comment section, okay? But the head wrap, I've already told you, is 2 years, okay? And also, don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel yet. Please subscribe so that anytime I post, you always have notification and then you come and learn, okay? Thank you. Bye.